Jason, be mine. Okay, so happy Valentine's. Sorry, I'm like a golden retriever. I'm very easily distracted. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Tell her Happy Valentine's Day.
From this homo to you. Oh, one of the best things that's happened to me this year is that I've become like friends. I've been working with this company, Atomic Creamery out of Newport Beach, family-owned business. And what's cool about it is the ice cream is made fresh. It's liquid nitrogen. You might have seen a video previously that I did where I made it myself. It was very butch of me, very butch Bobby. They're so sweet that they do local deliveries. They dropped me off a Valentine's Day care package, and I was like, before I eat this, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Why don't I make a Sundae for my bae? You know what I mean? A Sundae, which is really Jason, but fortunately he has a really hot blonde that's claiming him these days, so whatever. Maybe I'll go for his brother. You ever had brothers? You know what I mean? You don't say, little, oh, just turn to the back. He was like, I'm gonna keep this PG because this is all about cheesy romance. This is like a weapon. Come here. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. You ain't seen no Ben & Jerry's looking like this? Yeah. Pink in your life? Do you see fresh strawberries? I can't do accents to save my life, but if I could, I would love to do an Australian one because the sayings that they have, doing my head in. Oh, get f***ed. It's not even XXX. It's just, oh, she's doing my head in. Don't comment. I cannot do it. I'm not an actor. Oh.
Well, that's good.
You missed that one. Try another.
Sorry, Daddy. Oh. That's all I want to give you as far as the chocolate sauce goes. I want you to just keep that pink little heart from me to you.
I love you.
Oh, because I love you mucho. Stick a little heart. I'm giving you my heart, so please be kind to it. There we go. Look, this is gonna be so cute. M&Ms. Ooh, one for the homies. I'm so butch. I could play sports. It's amazing. Just in time for the Super Bowl. Fun fact, I can't throw a football. Fill her up. Puppy love. Oh, he's so cute. If you didn't know, now you know. It's my ice cream spoon. Thank you, Atomic Creamery, for moment on the lips, lifetime on the hips, honey. My spoon just did what I was feeling inside. Huge explosion. Holy crap. Actually, it tastes like you're eating cheesecake. I thought I was in a throuple with Ben & Jerry, but I'm now monogamous with Atomic Creamery. Let me just tell you something. You are my one and only. I love you mucho. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Bye. Bye.